Good morning, friends. Today I thought I'd show you a realistic look at how I keep my home running during a busy season. I use a combination of FlyLady Zones and my index card system. Neither system is complicated, they simply help me know what needs attention next. This isn't a deep dive into setting up the system, it's just a real life look at how I use it. And before we get started, you might notice my face looks a little different today. I accidentally brushed up against some English ivy last weekend and ended up with a pretty good reaction. It's getting much better, but I'm still healing a little bit, so we're keeping things very real around here today. This week's zone is the kitchen. These are the cards I'm focusing on today. One thing I love about the cards is that I don't have to decide what needs attention. The system already gives me a place to start. The goal isn't to complete every task in my home, it's simply to keep things moving forward. For years, I thought homemaking meant finding the perfect routine. But what I've learned is that consistency matters much more than perfection. Combining FlyLady Zones with my index cards helps me focus on one small area at a time instead of feeling responsible for the entire house. What I accomplished today wasn't dramatic, but the kitchen feels so much better. The laundry is moving, the beds are made, and that's enough. A peaceful home isn't created all at once. It's created through small things done consistently. I'd love to know in the comments what homemaking task you struggle to stay consistent with. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you again soon.